Hello, what's up everybody? This is Josy. Welcome back to my channel. On this channel, we talk about everything simple lifestyle through Jesus, health and finances. In today's video, I'm going to share with you some budgets that I do every paycheck to paycheck. I've already done 2 videos on budget for this month. So I do monthly budget and I do every paycheck to paycheck, which is every 2 weeks. And on my previous video, I explained how I do my budget. So I'll leave the link in the description below for you to check it out after you're done watching this video. Before I start today's video, I have to give away my shout out to my supporters. A big shout out to Mama Gracie. Thank you so much for supporting my platform and staying active on it. If you want to get a shout out in my next video, all that you have to do is to follow me on my Instagram and my YouTube, and also leave a question in the video that I'm doing right now. Then I'll give you a shout out. I randomly pick people from my Instagram and my YouTube to give a shout out to. Thank you so much for supporting me. Before I dive into the budget, the question for the week was, do I make $2,500 every paycheck to paycheck? The answer is no. I do not make $2,500 every paycheck to paycheck. I'm on salary, so it depends if I get extra hours or not. But my family and I, we've been budgeting for a long time, and we decided that in every paycheck, we're going to budget with $2,500. Any extra money that comes, we're going to put it towards our debt, which I have a lot of student loan that I'm trying to pay off. Everybody budget differently. For my family and I, the way we do our budget is that when we get paid monthly, we put aside what we're going to save, the tithes that we're going to pay, what we're going to do as a given. Then we realize that we can do more stuff if we cap our budget every paycheck to paycheck to $5,000 a month and $2,500 every paycheck, which is every 2 weeks. So me, I do a simple budget. I don't buy expensive budget book. For the sake of the video, I've already said in my previous video, that's why I'm using this book. But you can do budget from everywhere. You can even do it on a sheet of paper. You can even do it at the back of an old envelope. You can do it in an exercise book, which is like $1. All that you need is pencil, calculator, and also if you like, you want to be more professional, you can use ruler. You don't need to do that. And I have some colorful pens also here. And this is the planner I'm using. I've already talked about this planner in my previous video. I really love it. So I share some stuff from the planner as well. So let's go through July. This is the monthly layout. So my paycheck is on the 16th. And this is the second paycheck for July. And I only have mortgage, food, internet, cable, Audible, student loan, car note for this paycheck, which is from 16th to 29th. This car insurance is going to go through my next paycheck, so which will be in August. In every month, I do 2 paychecks and I do a monthly one. So like I've already said, I have some stuff in my planner. So this is my quotation for the month. I would like to read it. I really like it and I've been reading it like every day. It is Galatians 6:9. So let not get tired of doing what is good. At just the right time, you will reap an harvest of blessing if you don't give up. It's too late for me to give up. So I'm going to do my budget here. So I'm doing my budget on this page. As you can see, I'm doing the debt snowball. The debt snowball is when you listed all your debt, smallest to the highest. When I got paid of July 2nd, I paid some of the paycheck. And now I paid $881.42. And now I'm left with $12,000. So that's what I'm paying off now. So this is July paycheck number 2. Like I said, I get paid on the 16th. So from 16th to 29th, this is what the paycheck is for. So I'm going to go back and forth on my monthly layouts, which is this one, to see which bills are coming out from this paycheck. Remember, the $2,500 I get, I'm budgeting for. I've already paid my tithes. I've already do savings from here, and also I've already deducted giving. So the $2,500 is just for my bills, my general bills. So first, I do my 4 walls first, which is very important. and 4 walls are your food, your mortgage, your clothing, and your transportation. So for this month of July and for this paycheck, the only 4 walls that I have is my mortgage, which is I take half of my mortgage every paycheck, so which is $933. Then I have food, which every month I do $400, so every paycheck I do $200. And the next 4 wall on this paycheck will be my car notes, which for car notes I do $300. Then after I've paid off all my 4 walls, then I'll go to other expenses. So for my other expenses for this paycheck, I have my internet and cable, which for my internet and cable, I pay $120. Then I have my edible, which I use to do my readings, which is $16. And I have my student loan, which is $1,000 every month. So when I go back to my monthly layout, the only bills that comes out from this paycheck number 2 is mortgage, food, internet, cable, edible, student loan, and car notes. So that's the only bills that comes from this paycheck. So that's how I do my budget. So now let's add everything together. So it's going to be 933. So it's going to be $2,569. So remember that I'm budgeting with $2,500. Then at the end of the paycheck, my bills sum up to $2,569. So I'll go ahead and subtract $2,500 from it. So minus that, $2,569 minus $2,500. So it means that I need $69 for this paycheck. So on this paycheck, I didn't have a lot to pay off my debt. But remember, for my last budget that I did, I have a lot of money left. So I'll urge everybody to go watch that video. I'll leave the link in the description below. So as you can see, for my last budget, I was left with $613 that went into my savings. So that was the reserve. So in case I go over this budget, this paycheck, I have money. So I have $613 from my savings. So from this one, I can get the 69 to balance this paycheck. So I still have a lot of money left that I'm leaving it in my savings, or I can use it to pay off my debt. So this is how I do my budget. And remember, every budget has a name. Everything has a name. We don't go out without giving everything a name. All our expenses, our savings has a name. That's what we call the zero-based budget. So that's why I do my budget. Thank you for watching this video. Like I said, I'm doing shout outs in my videos. So if you want to get this shout out, all that you have to do is to follow me on my Instagram and also subscribe to my channel. And you can also leave a question or a comment so that in the next video you get a shout out, and I'll also answer the questions before I start doing everything. So I really appreciate you guys. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. God bless you, and I love you all.